Welcome students. Today we are continuing the chapter Gift of the Nature. In the previous class we have discussed about resources. Classification of resources as biotic and abiotic, renewable and non-renewable. So let's continue our chapter. Today we are going to learn about resource depletion. Man makes extensive use of natural resources as if they were meant only for him. The demand for natural resources increased with increase in population, development in science and technology, communication facilities, industrialization, etc. This led to the large-scale depletion of resources. Decrease in the availability and decline in the quality of resources due to the reckless usage is called a resource depletion. Resource depletion brought about changes in the environment. This will adversely affect the creatures, including the human being. Now, let's check the major causes of resource depletion. Overpopulation. The total global population is increasing rapidly. With the increase in population, the depletion of natural resources will also be increased. Human beings exploit natural resources for his comforts. This can lead to the scarcity of these resources in the future. Deforestation. Human beings are clearing the forest primarily for agriculture and also for making residential and other purposes. Due to deforestation, thousands of animals and plant species have lost their natural habitats. Deforestation activities led to soil erosion also. Pollution. As a result of increase in population, the soil, air, and water bodies etc. are being contaminated with sewage and other toxic chemicals. This resulted in the degradation of ozone layer and global warming. Natural calamities. Natural calamities like flood, drought etc. causes a mass depletion of natural resources. Industrial and technological development have also driven the demand for resources for development and production, etc. So students, we have discussed about the major causes of resource depletion. They are overpopulation, deforestation, pollution, natural calamities, industrial and technological development, etc. Now all of you please go through these lines. These lines are from a speech given by Seven Kale Suzuki, a 12-year-old girl from Canada, in the first UN Earth Summit at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil in 1992. The representatives of various countries who attended the summit were left speechless. What are the worries shared by the girl in her speech? Air subjected to pollution. Forests subjected to destruction. Animals facing the threat of extinction. Ozone hole, etc. It was the speech delivered by Srimati Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, in the Conference of United Nations Organization held at Stockholm in 1972, which led to the observation of 5th June as the World Environment Day. This day is celebrated to raise global awareness about the significance of a healthy environment by implementing some actions to protect nature and earth, leading to a positive and healthy environment for all. Okay students, today we have discussed about the major causes of resource depletion and the importance of Environment Day. That's all for today. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.